In addition to using the adjustments done by hand, which is what we prefer, depending upon what we see on X-ray, we might actually be leaning towards using some type of instrument. Now, these aren't any type of instrument that you can buy over the counter or on the internet. These are specific tools that chiropractors use and the doctors at Pangea use to help eliminate the root cause of your low back pain. The first one is called an activator, and this instrument sends an impulse, you can hear it, an impulse or a click, and like I mentioned before, we've already taken the X-rays, so we know very specifically how to use this tool to start to shift bones, to put them back in the proper alignment, to take stress and pressure off of nerves, eliminating the cause of why you're feeling the way that you are. So that you can see how gentle this is. When we know which direction to shift the bones, we simply hold on the bone and click. We hold on the bones, we click that. This instrument sends an impulse into the patient's spine, starting to shift that bone to take pressure off of the nerves. The second one is this instrument here. This instrument sends rapid impulses into the spine. You can hear this instrument, when used in correlation with the X-rays, helps myself and my team of doctors shift the bones in the back to put them into proper alignment, taking pressure and stress not only off the discs but also off of the nerves. So when we know what the X-rays tell us, if using a more gentle approach to the adjustments, this might be one of the tools and instruments we use. Notice how many times the instrument is sending impulses. It's very gentle, it's very safe and effective when used appropriately. Rest assured that not only have we taken the time to study your X-rays, but in addition to that, we will be using and choosing a technique that is most suitable for you and what we find to help get you moving in the direction that we know that you really need to go.